So let me give you a quick rundown of this sales page. It's actually very visual and pretty, but this opening right here is just such wasted real estate. I hate seeing this at the beginning. They're cool photos, but her opening, her opening is what, where, why, what, who. Um, I guess this would be the opening where we start talking about what this is. Like, you have to frame it and give it some context instead of just showing a bunch of, pretty happy women. Um, then it also, this page does take a long time to load because probably there's a lot of graphics. I think I mentioned this before, but that font is so tiny and really, really hard to read. I would bump that up a couple of points for sure. She could even open with this. No, something needs to be above there, but not that. It's so busy and it's very distracting. It's like, where the hell am I? What is this? Maybe Welcome Awakener in some, kind of pretty font. And then it all started when blah, blah, blah. It's time to fly. It's a really pretty graphic too. It's time we shine even brighter. Yeah, that all works. Welcome to this is like so big compared to the rest of the copy, but it's not undoable. Is that the right word? You could still go with it. It just seems so large. But I think the biggest thing is just to move that graphic down, maybe when she talks about the when, where, why. I would put the why first because that's more important, framing like why then what, and then when and where should come after. Does that make sense? Because you want to get them juiced up about what this event is first, and then what the hell is it? I need to know before you start telling me when it is and where it is, because I don't give a shit until I know what it is. Who? What about who? Yeah, who also. So start with why, what, who, and then when and where. Okay, so just move those around. Not a big deal, easy enough to do. And the copy seems fine. Honestly, it's the weekend, so I'm not diving into it really deeply, but it is efficient and it looks like, it's gets them all pumped up. Investment into memories and nourishing soul experience will last a lifetime. I think I would move the testimonials up because she's got some really good ones here. She's obviously gorgeous, but it's like this, maybe this could be the header. Not so big even, but it could be. Like that could be the header, that pretty picture of her, because it really doesn't add anything here. It's like, why is she just showing me her gorgeous face? And then we go into testimonials, which is fantastic. And more testimonials. Whoa, there's that thing that was there. This is fine here. That's a great place for it. It doesn't need to be on top. It's so distracting. When our fellow awakeners begin posting their photo stories and favorite moments of our first live event together, will you be in them? Okay, then this is good. So, hi, your time as a caterpillar has ended. I like it. Your wings are ready. So basically, just like get rid of this stupid header. That's the main thing, and switch around the details here, and that's it. And you got it going on. So I hope that helps.